Now, din is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll see it clear. I'll test my case. Oh, what's uncertain? I believe a life that full. I travel it in every highway and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, and so went through without exemption. I planned in just a course, and it was that along my ways, and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Yes, there were times I'm sure you knew when I bit more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, I hid it all. I spit it out. I paid at all, and I stand tall and did it my way. I've loved, I've laughed and cried. I've had my fill, my share of losing. And now, as there subsides, I find it all so amusing to think I did all that. And me I say, not in a shy way. Oh, no. Oh no, not me. I did it my way. For what is a man? What has he got? And nothing to